I'm Tony, and today we are going to take a look at block number 10 of the Pixelated Galaxy Quilt Along, Uranus. Some really cool, quick, easy facts about Uranus that are kind of fun. Uranus is an ice giant. So it is made up of icy materials, mainly water, some methane, and ammonia. And did you know that you could fit 63 Earths inside Uranus? That's how big this freaking planet is. It's actually the first planet that was discovered by using a telescope. All the other planets up until that point were discovered by using the naked eye, and you could see them out in the space, out in the sky out there. But Uranus was discovered with a telescope. All right, let's get into the block. This one is easy to, it's lots of pre-stuff, but it's easy to mark because two separate pages. So take both of the pages, and as we are blocking, as we're marking all this off, we're doing it here. Now, if you're doing this as a standalone block, remember, you don't need to worry about all of this. Skip all of this stuff right here. Just go right on to cutting your strips. But if you're making this as part of the quilt along, we've got to do all this stuff. All right, so let's take a look at it. First off, you're pulling the strips from block number 3, which is the Earth. We're pulling a blue 2.5 inch strip. So under blue, we're marking that 1 to a 0. The white-blue combined strip. Let's see, white-blue combined strip. First, I'm going to come down here to the white-blue, cross that off completely. And under the 1.5 inch strips, under white, we're changing that 4 to a 3. And the blue from a 3 to a 2. Then the next one is the gray-black combined strip. So we're first going to go find the gray-black strip here on the bottom. Cross that off. Gray, we're changing that 1.5 from a 2 to a 1. Black, we're changing it from a 4 to a 3. Then the black-blue combined strip. So black and blue. Black-blue is just underneath that gray and black. So let's cross that off. And black, we're changing that 3 to a 2. And then blue, we're changing that 2 to a 1. All right, next, the comet. Block number 4. From that, you're pulling the very light blue 2.5 inch strip. So very light blue, so it's a 1, so we're changing that to a 0 after you pull that. And the white and very light blue combined strip. So down here, white, very light blue, it's the very first one on the bottom. Cross that off, and we're changing that white from a 3 to a 2. Very light blue, changing from a 2 to a 1. Next, block number 6 is Venus. You're pulling the black 2.5 inch strip, so we're changing that 3 2.5 inch strips to a 2. Block number 7, Jupiter. Black 2.5 inch strip, so we're changing that 2 we just did to a 1. Then the next one is block number 8, Mercury. You're pulling a black 2.5 inch strip, but it says do not count this one. So we're not changing anything here. Just pull that fabric. The gray 2.5 inch strip, so the gray is a 1. We're changing that to a 0. And then next is Saturn, and this is the last one, block number 9, the one we just did right there. You are pulling the black 2.5. Again, this says don't count this one. You're pulling and using it, but don't count it on here. So you are still cutting a 1 2.5 inch strip of a black. And then the white-black combined strip. So let's find the white-black, let's see, black-white right here. So we're crossing that off. And the black, we're changing the 1.5 inch strips from 2 to 1. The white, we're changing that from 2 to 1. So now you're only cutting for 2.5 inch strips, a white, a black, and a light blue. For the 1.5 inch strips, you're cutting a white, 1 gray, 1 very light blue, 1 black, 1 blue, and 4 light blues. Because this is mostly made up of that light blue color. And that's it. And then on the bottom for your combined strips, you should only have these left. Gray to blue, very light blue to light blue, black to light blue, white to light blue, and blue to light blue. That's it. I know this, as we're going on, it seems more and more complicated, but you've got this. You've made the blocks up until now. You've got this. So let's get sewing, and we only have two blocks left. 2 blocks left. There we go. We only have those 2 blocks left, and then it's assembly, and we're done with our quilt-along. If you have any ideas for what quilt-alongs we should do next, let me know. We have ideas, but you know, I always like to see your ideas. Let me know down in the comments or shoot me a message. And thank you. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like this video, follow my YouTube, as well as Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or X, formerly known as Twitter, TikTok, which I hardly do anything with, but every now and then I do. Pinterest? I don't know. I'm thinking I gotta start doing Pinterest again. I don't know. I have it out there. Go follow them, do the things, and thank you.